Beneath the waves, hidden in the deepest corners of the ocean, lies a mansion like no other. A $1 billion sanctuary for the world's most powerful billionaire. A place so secretive, it has remained untouched for decades. Welcome to Hidden Riches. Today, we dive deep into the mystery of the underwater mansion built by a man who wanted to escape the world above and hide his darkest secrets beneath the sea. Stay with us, and let's uncover the truth of the mansion that even the richest can't escape. Part 1. The origin of the mansion. In the mid-1990s, a tech billionaire named Nathaniel Drake, known for his mysterious wealth, shocked the world when he revealed his plans for the first ever submerged mansion. Drake was known for being a reclusive genius who had made his fortune in a revolutionary tech startup. But there was something more to him. This mansion wasn't just a symbol of his wealth, it was meant to be his final escape. A home built in complete isolation, beneath the waves of the Pacific Ocean. Drake's plan was simple. He would live out the rest of his life underwater, far from prying eyes. Part 2. Construction of the mansion. The construction was unlike anything the world had ever seen. It wasn't just built on land, it was designed underwater. Giant, reinforced walls, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, surrounded by massive glass domes. It took nearly 5 years and $500 million to complete the mansion, which was buried hundreds of feet below the surface. Inside, it was everything you could imagine. Luxury living rooms with panoramic ocean views, gold-lined bathtubs and swimming pools, an aquarium with exotic fish swimming by the windows. But there was something eerie about the mansion, something no one could put their finger on. Part 3. The disappearance of Nathaniel Drake. Drake moved into the mansion in 2002, but soon after, rumors started swirling. His visits became increasingly rare. His staff, who had helped build the mansion, were never seen again. No one from his close circle ever visited the mansion. It was as if it had become a prison of solitude. In 2005, after spending nearly 4 years alone, Nathaniel Drake mysteriously vanished. His yacht was found drifting near the mansion, but there was no sign of him. Investigators found his personal effects, but no clues as to his disappearance. The mansion, still running on its advanced tech, was left abandoned for over a decade.
Part 4. The mansion's dark secrets. Greater than. After Drake's disappearance, the mansion was left to the ocean, slowly deteriorating. But in recent years, things started to change. Drones and submarines have ventured down to the mansion, capturing footage of its eerie interior. It's almost as if the mansion is still alive. In 2018, an expedition team discovered strange, encrypted files within the mansion's systems, files that had been hidden deep inside its tech infrastructure. These files revealed Drake's obsession with cutting-edge AI and his plans to merge his consciousness with the mansion's mainframe. Was Drake's disappearance part of his final experiment? Did he transfer his mind into the mansion, living as an AI forever? Part 5. The aftermath and theories. Greater than. Experts believe that Drake's mansion wasn't just a home, but a technological prison. Some even believe he achieved the impossible, merging his consciousness with the mansion's AI, becoming something more than human. Some speculate that Drake's disappearance wasn't an accident. It was the result of a failed experiment. His desire to escape the world above may have turned into a nightmarish reality, where he's now trapped beneath the sea, living forever inside the mansion's walls. Greater than. The mansion lies abandoned, its dark secrets still buried beneath the waves. What happened to Nathaniel Drake? Was it the mansion? Or was it something far darker that claimed his soul? This is Hidden Riches. Subscribe now to uncover more secrets of the world's most mysterious wealth.